Oh shit, you live in the canyon. How big is your mansion? Yeah. Fresh out of school, now you working and focus on fashion.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode on the Currency Academy YouTube page. You already know I am super excited for today's video because I have some great results for you guys coming from our most previous video, the ABCD point method using Fibonacci retracements on the gold market versus the US dollar. I was able to catch a lot of pips on this trade and I'm really happy. I'm going to show you guys on this video actually what this trade looked like beforehand, and then I'm going to show you what it looked like after. So this was the movement that we were looking at. We were looking at our ABCD point method with the Fibonacci retracement. Very simple. We were able to analyze that we were in an uptrend. So I drew on my Fibonacci tool from my swing low to my swing high, and I waited for price to come somewhere in this area and form a bullish engulfing candle, showing us that price would continue in the upward direction towards our -27 extension. Very, very simple, right? It's the full movement. It was a very successful movement for us, and as I predicted, right here we saw a bullish engulfing candle. Right here we saw a bullish engulfing candle, and we were able to put our stop loss just below where this was, and then wait for price to just float its way up to our take profit. It struck our take profit and we were out of that trade. So this went really good. I hope some of you were able to catch this trade, and I hope you guys learned something from this trade with the Fibonacci tool. Now let's go to the next pair. Alright, so this is the other pair. This is Australian dollar to the US dollar. And this was a trade that I've been watching on the higher time frames for a little bit here. I'm gonna break down this trade that I took right from the beginning. So the very first thing I did was I am going to erase all this so you guys can kind of see what we're looking at here. So I was able to analyze zooming out. It's always important to zoom out and look to your left. So this is where we currently are right here. I zoomed out all the way and I'm looking to my left. Now I find my key areas of support and resistance where price has shown to be pushing strongly in the past. On a higher time frame, these support and resistance levels mean a lot more and they show strong trend changes. So right here I was able to analyze that there was a key resistance level right here because price had hit it and bounced off of it in the past. Then we saw a key support level right here in the past as well. I'm not going to go look over to look at it, but right here we have a key support level, and right here as we came up to the key daily resistance level, we are going to take a look at our trade. So I saw price create this lower high right here, and I knew that we were feeling a resistance point right here, and I wasn't sure that price was going to be able to hold above it. And as I saw if we could zoom in, this is the daily time frame, I was seeing massive bearish engulfing candles with every correction. So this was a bearish engulfing candle, and this was a lower high as well. So this was the high, and then this was the lower high. So we saw a lower high. We saw more bearish engulfing candles right here. This is where we kind of saw our entry point. And this is where we have let price come down and hit our take profits. Now, how did I know to get in on this trade on AUDUSD? I used my handy Fibonacci tool early because I knew that price was going to break before everyone else did, because I saw this movement. I saw from here to here to here. It's as simple as the ABCD point method, but this time this is an example going in the downward direction. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean. We want to look at our most previous swing high point now to start at. Then we want to draw the tool on from our top left position down to our top right position of where price was, and that was at this blue line right here at the 0% level right here where price bounced off of again. Then we were going to draw on our rectangle, wait for price to bounce off of this box. As it did, it showed us, came up, hit the box, bounced off, and then we targeted our -27 extension level, just how we did on the XAUUSD trade that I had yesterday. I hope you guys took something from this video. I'm going to be posting this Saturday or Sunday another video going over my top trades for the next week. I hope you guys are ready for the video, and I hope you stay tuned for more content. If you have any questions, or if you've made it this far in the video, drop a done comment below. I appreciate you guys, and you guys have an amazing day. I am out.